Hi, my name is Alex Rodriguez and our product is Organic pH. What we do is CO2 for pools to help balance your pool's pH without ever having to use muriatic acid again. When it comes to taking care of your pool, there's two things that matter most: sanitation and comfort. Sanitizing the water is making the water safe for swimmers. So for example, if little kids have accidents in the pool, if you get small critters in the pool, or even if somebody goes in your pool sick, the sanitizer, or chlorine as it's known, is what makes the water safe for swimmers to swim in. The next thing that you have to treat in pool water is you got to make the water comfortable to swim in so you have a good swimming experience. Have you ever been to a hotel pool with your family and you can almost feel your eyes are burning and your skin's really irritated? More than likely the pH is off. And the only option on the market right now for consumers to balance pH is hydrochloric acid, or better known as muriatic acid. What we offer is something different: CO2. By injecting carbon dioxide in your pool, we create a mild acid known as carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is safe, natural, non-toxic, non-corrosive. As a matter of fact, the only place on earth you can find it is in lake water. Mother Nature does it naturally. As humans, we breathe in oxygen, we breathe out CO2. CO2 touches the surface water of the lake, she turns it into carbonic acid, balances the pH. This is why you can go swimming all day in lake water and it's a great experience. Our slogan here is created by Mother Nature, developed by Poolsmith. But at the end of the day, just to give you a better visual, if me and your family stood around this pool with garden hoses and we were blowing bubbles, we'd bring down the pH in your pool. The main question you have to ask yourself is, do you want to pour acid in your pool or do you want to put air in your pool?